Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error code 0xc0000185, then stick around for the solutions. The first solution would be to restart the computer. We do that by left clicking on the start button and left clicking on the power button and pressing restart. This should resolve the error. If this doesn't, then we have another solution. For that, we need to go to command prompt, run as administrator, and we need to copy this command, that is BOOT REC space slash REBUILD BCD bootrec BOOT REC space slash rebuild BCD. Now we enter that into the command prompt window and we press enter, and then we should restart the computer, and that would resolve the problem. If both of these solutions fail, then another solution would be to restore the system. So how we do that is we look for restore, recovery, open system restore, and if we have created a point, we should restore it to that point. Thank you for watching the channel. Please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your day.